pursuing the revitalization of the Church's efforts at evangelization and reforming the central administration of the Vatican. The Pope stressed the importance of collegiality and established an international council of cardinals to advise on reform and governance, reflecting his efforts to make the Church more inclusive and consultative.
Sínodo es caminar juntos bajo la inspiración y la guía del Espíritu Santo. El Espíritu Santo es el actor principal del sínodo. Por favor, no lo echemos de la sala.
Pope Francis faced new revelations about the extent of clerical sexual abuse in the Church, and instances in which he seemed more prone to believe bishops than victims, which challenged his momentum and popularity.
L'obiettivo della Chiesa sarà dunque quello di ascoltare, tutelare, proteggere e curare i minori abusati, sfruttati e dimenticati, ovunque essi siano.
Noted for his openness toward gay Catholics and toward divorced and civilly remarried Catholics, which were issues often raised during the global synods he summoned, the Pope's agenda was sometimes offset by criticism from within the Church, in particular from churches in the developing world.
Se una persona è gay e cerca il Signore e ha buona volontà, ma chi sono io per giudicarlo?
Pope Francis made nearly 50 foreign trips, bringing his close-to-the-people papacy to global power centers, and especially to the peripheries of the world's influence. In late 2024, before Christmas Eve Mass, he inaugurated a Jubilee year, urging all Catholics to be signs of hope for others, to embrace peaceful coexistence, and to work toward ending the conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East. Holding consistories to create new cardinals almost every year of his pontificate, Pope Francis named more than 2/3 of the cardinals who will enter into the Sistine Chapel to elect his successor.